chicken liver 1 kilogram. Garlic ginger paste 3 teaspoon. Arabic masala 2 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Red Kabab Masala 1/2 teaspoon. Tasting powder to pinch. Mix and keep aside. Heat oil to tablespoon. Chop 3 onions. Fry for 2 minutes. Add curry leaves. Add marinated liver. Just mix and cover to cook. Add fine chopped tomatoes at least 2 to 3. Cover and cook for 5 minutes low flame. Mix and cook at high flame for 5 minutes. At the last before switch off the gas add Ajwain 1/2 teaspoon. Add black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Mix and switch off the gas. Spring some coriander leaves at the last. Serve with roti.